Hello there! There's a saying that goes something like this: the best things in life are free, and that goes as far as your beauty routine. I know that skincare and makeup can be very expensive, and that's why in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my best free beauty hacks that don't cost a penny. Have I got your attention yet? Assuming you guys already have these things in your home, in your kitchen, in your pantry, this is going to be the video for you. There's going to be a lot of DIYs in this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started.
Let's start with facial massages. First, take your index and middle finger together and press 3 times in the under eye area. Next, firmly press your fingers over your brows and work your way away from the face. Then move to the temples. This is especially helpful if you have a headache. Then, take a cold spoon, leave it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and gently press it underneath the eyes. This is super relaxing, and it also helps constrict blood vessels to reduce puffiness and redness in the area. And if you have extra time, one of my best tips is to use a little aloe vera gel and apply this over any dark circles. It's very refreshing and great to help you look more awake. Let that sit for a few minutes and then rinse off and pat dry. A lot of you ask, what's an affordable way to reduce pimples? Here's a hack. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to 1 teaspoon of water and make a paste. Salt can help kill bacteria and soothe dry skin too. So just spot treat the blemishes and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and wipe off with a cool towel. Next up, let's steam. Add hot water to 3 tablespoons of rice and make sure you give it a good mix. Place your face over the bowl for about 10 minutes, let the water cool down to a lukewarm temperature, and rinse your face with the rest of the water. If you're looking for a skin clearing mask, try mixing 1 tablespoon of cool water and 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda and smooth this all over the face. Use a brush to keep things tidy. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. It's a natural exfoliant and can help calm acne and blemishes. One thing to note though, make sure you do a test patch before applying it directly on the face. Got itchy scalp? One of my favorite hacks is to add 2 drops of tea tree oil to my favorite shampoo. It's antiseptic and helps remove excess oil and cools the scalp. So since I cut my hair short and lightened it, I noticed split ends way more. My hack? Really easy. Grab some Vaseline and warm it up in your fingers and gently coat your split ends with this until your next hair appointment. If you're trying to grow your eyebrow hairs and your lashes, add vitamin E oil to your brows and lashes every night for healthier and thicker brows. I just warm it in my hands and then just spread it evenly over my brows and a little bit on the eyelashes, making sure that you don't touch the eye, just the lashes. And now we're done.
Skincare doesn't have to be expensive. You just gotta get a little creative. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some really good, affordable, and free beauty hacks you can use in your daily routine. And if you guys wanna see more videos like this one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, also comment below and let me know what other DIYs or hacks you guys wanna see on my channel. I love you, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!